Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Rabbit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create smithing table in Minecraft. You may leave also like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So to create smithing table in Minecraft you need to have 4 planks from whatever wood and 2 iron ingot. And now you must put 4 woods in that way and 2 ingot in that way, and you have smithing table in Minecraft. Okay, and here you may upgrade gear and have netherite armor and netherite items like sword, pickaxe, axe, hoe, shovel. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you in my next videos.